welcome back to my channel.
Just kidding. So today my friends are gonna do my makeup. So stick around for the finished look.
Okay guys, so today I'm gonna start with my milk primer. She doesn't usually use primer, so I brought it so she could try it out.
Let me put my hair back.
Yeah, please.
Oh, I'm kind of scared.
You don't even need that much of this, that's why I like it.
You're a little heavy-handed, Nina. You know that.
Sorry. Okay, so then after we do the primer, we do the eyebrows. Okay, so what do you use this for your eyebrows, right? Or
Yeah, either whichever one you see.
Okay, I'm gonna just use this. And we don't even gotta do too much because they're already like, you know. Can you hold this?
You got it, girl, you got it. I don't really wanna go around. Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Been too long for a nigga so cheap. And your flex OD, your sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you ballin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Waiting in you the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and now they silent. Flew the quick 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the vibes is.
I'm gonna use Benefit brow gel. This will make the hairs stick out. Which is a look I like. Oh, hold up. I'm a makeup artist.
Oh, you scared me.
Hold up. This just took me to a new level. I got this concealer today. I think I'm gonna use it because I think it will go like good for you.
I see.
Yes, ma'am.
I would like to interview you on my channel.
Interview you on my channel? I'm sorry, interview me on your channel?
Yes.
Like right now or like another day type shit?
Right now.
That's fine.
Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
What does soft glam mean to you?
Soft glam mean?
Mm-hmm.
Quite frankly, I don't know what that means, honestly.
Okay.
What's
So,
next question.
what is a dramatic beat?
A dramatic what?
Please, come on. I don't want to mess
A
up.
dramatic beat.
A dramatic beat?
Mm-hmm. Just guess.
A dramatic beat, like, you know what I'm saying? When somebody beats your face, like, I don't know, fucking very, what can I say? Very, like, I don't know.
In what sense?
Like, what? Can you give an example of like one part of the face that would be dramatic beat?
Part of the face, like where, like right here. No.
Mm-hmm.
That's okay, guys. You need to get your makeup skills up.
What?
Your wife?
That to do with me?
What if she sends you to the store and says, "Can you get me some?"
She's not gonna send me to the store.
Wait.
Why?
Well, literally.
That's what you have friends for.
Our friends are not gonna be there every day. Like.
Yeah, they are.
Can you close your eyes?
Why? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Can you move that piece of hair that's over here? Thanks.
Okay.
Keep them closed?
Yeah, keep them closed, please.
Oh.
Okay, I'm going so soft.
No, you're not.
That's how you want me to go? Let me just use the beauty blender.
Somebody else has said, who did my makeup recently? Okay,
Okay, Diana.
Okay, sorry.
For your birthday?
Oh no, Yvonne, she was putting my lash on. She said, yeah, you don't need to get extension because you keep blinking your stuff.
Oh yeah, I forgot. If you were to get that.
But don't they tape your eye open or close or whatever?
I don't even remember. So now I'm gonna put mascara and I'm gonna use MAC.
Okay.
The lashes, the glue done dry.
Oh, you put the glue on them already.
Mm-hmm. I think I should add eyeliner.
That's fine. We're doing a natural, soft glam.
Actually, I'm gonna do eyeliner. Put on my lashes.
Oh yeah, I need to get a new phone. It's funny because in the beginning, like my camera will look like this, but by the end, that's so weird.
Maybe it's just in our heads.
No, oh maybe because they make a better one.
Mm-hmm.
Is it in enough?
No, it's good. I'm trying to see if the glue dried too much, or if I need to just take it off. Yeah, the glue dried too much. So we'll move on to the face.
They said it's the first red flag.
What? Close your eyes, please.
Got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Little baby in the bag and I'm Birkin. No, not about put the work in. Laws and all, I love them all. To me, a burden. Baby girl, you got it, girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl, you got it, girl. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. Fuck around, get my last name. Know you're tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, cause baby, you got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. You wanna go out?
Girl, you better calm down with the foundation.
CK Wheaty.
This time. Mona Lisa, Lisa, Linda, Sandra, Bella. I got me, I love her. When I only you where I want. Third time, no be Benz at all. Of course. You know I saw. Oh, lay on. Me want money, make you take it easy on me. Me want money. If not be you, tell me wake up, be oh, lay on. Me want money, make you take it easy on me. Me want money. If not be you, tell me wake up, be baby.
Sorry.
People are gonna be like, wait. Okay.
Do you feel like your foundation is enough and even for you?
Can you put, what else are you putting? Are you putting concealer?
Yeah.
Cause it's just, I have a scar here, that's it.
You want more to cover the scar?
I mean, just a little bit.
Why can't you embrace your flaws?
So just take all of this off.
Not my whole face is a flaw. I came to the conclusion that when I used to like blend my under eye concealer, I used to drag it So it used to look like I didn't have any on. But now, that's a good concealer.
Yeah, I'm gonna get this shade.
It's only $6. I forgot LA Girl. LA Girl is $4.
I thought it was 2 something.
It's $3.99.
Okay, where did you get it from? Just any beauty supply?
I got it from CVS. Or you can get it at Walmart. I'm sure it'll be cheaper at Walmart, honestly. You know,
But Walmart don't be having stuff sometimes.
Yeah. But they have Elf. Look up.
Okay, yeah. That concealer took it up a notch. Ooh. I'm gonna watch this video every day and follow it.
Look up.
Oh, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna post that picture of your makeup, how your makeup has gotten better over time.
That day, I'm not sure what was going on.
It's the flash picture, because we would have never knew if we didn't take the flash picture. Wait, did you fix it or no?
Yes. To the best of my ability. So we're gonna let that ride out for a little bit. And then let that ride out. And then we're gonna add that Fenty on it.
Okay, let me do a thumbnail.
Oh, that's cute.
Okay.
Oh, look up.
Hey!
What happened?
Baby, answer me, man. Down. Make you answer me. Okay, make you answer me. Baby, answer me, man. Down. Make you answer me. Okay, make you answer me. They no sabi. That's it, what they tell you. But boy say they no sabi. All these girls me I go drop. Except for Susie.
What?
Now she dey give me money. Yeah, my sugar mommy and the money. Yeah, I'm a drug queen. Me want money, make you take it easy on me.
Okay, I need your eyes to be very still for this.
What should I do?
Just close them.
Just do it fast.
Close
Oh,
them.
sorry.
Diana.
No, please. Okay. No wing.
Yeah, I'm not doing a wing. I wouldn't attempt that right now. Okay. Open it. Oh yeah, that done took it to the next.
That's cute. You gotta go inside, don't you?
Yeah.
Okay, but be careful.
Close your eyes. Just close your eyes.
Cause you be getting rowdy.
Open.
Oh, I'm scared.
Close your eyes. Oh yeah, I'm gonna do that after.
Close my eyes.
Okay. The dramatics. We just gonna let that ride out.
Do you want to say something?
Yes, so what I did here is something that I just like came up off like with on the top of my mind. So
Wait, what?
the makeup look, like the construction of it, like
What do you mean?
like like I'm not a makeup artist.
Okay.
So I just use like my intermediate skills to create an expert level look.
Very expert level.
Okay.
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 Sorry.
We just. Oh yeah, that's pretty good.
Yeah, it is. Shout out to Grace.
Okay, so now I'm gonna do your bottom lashes, and it's just gonna make them look like. Ooh.
Okay.
It's a small thing, so
Keep my eyes open?
yeah. You don't have to.
Okay, sorry. Sorry. Okay, just do it fast. My eyes are watering.
Okay.
Okay. I didn't even know my lashes were this long at the bottom.
Yeah, I didn't know either. It's this thing.
Mm-hmm.
I've been trying to reach you. The noise make I call you. Reason I would be for an artist sometimes. You know, go find it easy. If you ask me, baby, make I tell you. Know everybody go they know you. I don't go for your hand. Me, I don't go for your hand.
And my client doesn't like a lot of highlighter, so that's why we're
Okay.
light highlight. Okay, this. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications.
Period.